Huh?
No.
In a dog's mind, every creature with 4 legs is a dog too, and will be invited home.
No, we don't have guests. We're not doing this today. Oh no.
Look it, I brought home a dog. I found it in the woods. It's kind of ugly, but I like it. Can we keep it? Hey guys, look at the new dog I found.
You found a dog? Oh my god, look it is a new dog. Hi, I'm Chloe, I'm a pit bull.
Did you see the new dog that I brought home from the woods?
It's not a dog, man. Oh, he's cuddly.
He's really aggressive. I don't think he's a dog. I think we should take him back to the woods, guys. Okay, get down. Time to get down. Oh, Jesus.
Uh-oh, I'm afraid there won't be enough bed for his new buddy. Dear parents, if you guys can't give me a sibling, I'll find one by myself.
Get in my truck too? Come on, hop in there. Everybody just get in. Come on, get in there. Yep, hop in. I'll take y'all with me. Yep, I got a goat and 2 dogs in my truck.
What? Now we know why every creature's charmed by dogs. They're so kind.
Come inside. Okay. Hello. What the hell? Who are you? Did you meet somebody out there? Who is that? Excuse me, who are you?
Guys, not messing around.
Even when sharing almost nothing in common, dolphins still fall for dogs. No fence can keep dogs from getting close to his kangaroo friend. Their friendship's stronger than any difficulty. After watching Black Panther with his human, this is the first thing that Dog did.
Ooh, dolphin tinker.
Dogs bark and dolphins whistle, but that difference cannot stop them from having the greatest talks together.
She's totally teasing.
To these little ducklings, the dog means so much more than just a friend. He's become their family. Mr. Ball here is even willing to be a personal driver for his best buddy.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. We don't have guests. We're not doing this today. Oh no.
This is how the friendship between an extrovert and an introvert looks like. Puppy tried to knock on the turtle's door until she trusts him. Dog didn't even have to try. The pig fell for him from the first sight and followed him everywhere.
You got a growth, Teddy.
Good boy. Good boy. Good, Teddy. Stay. Good boy. Good boy.
Fooling around and teasing each other was the unique love language of these partners in crime. Don't be surprised if you come home and see a strange groundhog there.
You are my best,
This is why Baby Bear doesn't want to go home, even when it's late.
and we will have so much fun forever and ever and ever. Oh, look at the little baby.
Can we agree now that dogs are the best diplomats in the animal world?